Yes, guys, hello everybody, welcome to our new video here. We would like to say happy new year. This is our video, the first video in 2020. So what we're looking for to learn now is gonna be how to use arrays in JavaScript, also with loops. We're gonna use a for loop, and also we're gonna use an array to get our data from the array, then we loop in through, then we print out everything there. It's gonna be something simple, but I guess it's gonna be so important to people who are just new to JavaScript. So I would like to thank you for supporting us for the previous years, and I would say please don't forget to subscribe before we go ahead. So what we're gonna do, I expect you know a little bit of HTML already, but if you don't know, no problem, you're gonna have to watch the video and see. So go to any text pad. I'm using what this what text editor, which is for Linux, but also if you're using Notepad++, or if you're using Windows, you can use your normal Notepad. So what you do, you open your Notepad, and what you first do, you save your document. As you see, JavaScript, maybe you can name it loops.html. we're gonna put it on desktop so that we will be able to run it quicker, faster. So what you do, we're gonna type in open tag, and so I said doc, you can make this one to be capital letter, doc type HTML. Then we go to the next line, and we save this, and also we say HTML. Then we come down here, and we say head, head. Then we close that, we come back here, we close it and say head, head. Then inside the head, we're gonna only put the title, and we come here and say title. We say loops, for loop, and array. Thus we can do that, and then close here and say title, and also after that we can go here and type in, let's say body. After that body, you're gonna have to close it, let's say body. Then after that, we're gonna close our HTML here down and say HTML. Then we go inside the body here. That's where we're gonna put our JavaScript now. Then we're gonna say, we have to say script. Then we close that by saying script. Okay, then after that we save this, and then we have to type in the code here, and remember script is small letters. Then if we come here, we can say, maybe we can start by declaring this var output. Say output, this is what we're gonna output, and say put it to, don't assign it to nothing. Then we can say we create our array, which is gonna be var, to make it say myArray. No, maybe you can say list num, whatever you want to call it, to say equals to, you open this and close this, then you say this So if you want to use strings, you can do like this and put a comma, and maybe you can say menu, and maybe you come here and say Real Madrid. You can make it to be different words like this. Maybe you wanna you can also come here and say United, and maybe now you wanna create an array which has teams, football teams, and here you can say maybe Juventus. Sometimes they call it Juve or whatever, I don't know. Juventus. And after that, maybe you can call this name, call it EU teams. Then after getting that EU teams, we can copy that if we want. Then we can say start our for loop, which is gonna loop through this. Say for, then you open here, you close here also, and they say in this loop we're gonna declare our var I, which is index, equals to 0, so which means it's gonna start from 0. Then you say less than, you're gonna say I less than length. This is gonna be how big the array is. So now we want to say that we don't know how big it's gonna be. We use this trick and say length, and I'm sorry, length, okay, which we need an n here, where we're gonna say teams dot length, then we say I plus plus, so it means we're gonna add on every time. So here we can say output this output, which we declared out of the loop. This time we can tell that it's equals to what we want to print. What we want to print plus, okay, what we want to print, we want to print what? This. Then we put that here, then we put this, and we put in the I here, the index. So since we put the index there, we can end here. So this just simply to say EU European teams, then that's what we're gonna print. So where we're gonna print that, we're gonna print it on our console. If you want to, we say console dot log, then we put in our output here, and we save. Let's see if it's gonna work. If we made some mistakes, it will be fine for us also, because we're gonna just learn from our mistakes anyway. After saving that, we go here and click this, and we can use Firefox, I think. Please open with, it doesn't want to open. Let me open Firefox first, and I think I'll just drag and drop this here. I wanna drag and drop this here. Wow, how come this is not, it's not opening, but it should open anyway. User share, whatever. Please open with application. I wonder why something's happening here, but we're gonna look into it and see what's going on. Let me refresh and say open. It's not opening, but it should open. Sorry about that. Okay. What could be the reason why this thing doesn't open in here? file. Okay, it's opening with the Chrome, which is not good, so we're gonna open it with Firefox. Okay, open it with Firefox. Okay, we open this, so we're gonna you can see it's running. So what we're gonna do, press F12 to see the console. Yes, so it tells us that the character encoding of the HTML document was not declared. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this error we can declare that, no problem. But you can you see that teams are being displayed here? I only see European teams. I see Manchester United only. Why is it like that? Yet we wanted to show everything here. So the best thing I think we should say, I think we should say, why is it, oh, okay, I say this and this and this, and I wonder why is it doing like this. But let me do this for us. We should take out the console. Now we can say document dot, no, let's use alert. We're gonna say output. We're gonna say output this. Okay, I++. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna do this. It should be the same here. Okay. If we tells us Man United, if we say okay, it gives us Real Madrid. If you say okay, it gives us Juventus. If you say okay, we can see it's done with that. So now we saw how to output the strings. So we use the alert here, but now we want to use numbers. We see the behaviors. If it's gonna change, we're gonna say 10, 20, 30, and save here. After saving, we're gonna refresh here. You can see 10, 20, 30. Yes, so you can also add more, as many as you can. We can say maybe 40, 50, 60. Yes, so after that, doing that, we can do what? We can refresh and see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, so I hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So if you have any problem or any question, please feel free to ask. You can use document.print, you can use alert, you can use console, anything you want to use. This is the way we do numerical stuff, but also we have to, the way you do string array strings, this is the way we do strings. You put them in a quote, double quote. So then you put your stuff in the loop here. Then since you put them in the loop here, it's gonna loop through one by one by adding on one until it sees that there's nothing in the array here. Understand? If they finish, then it's gonna terminate. Guys, thanks for watching, and you remember this error we see here. This error is gonna be fixed in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.